Now these are cute. These are called special cases. X plus 7 squared. When you square something, you know that you multiply it by itself. So really this means x plus 7 times x plus 7. Now I will show you a shortcut for this in a moment's time, but this is a great thing to fall back on. If you ever see something squared, write it twice and FOIL it, and you come out with the perfect answer. So you multiply the first, x times x, x squared. Outside, x times 7 is 7x. Inside, 7 times x is 7x. And last, 7 times 7 is 49. So, x squared, 7x plus 7x is 14x plus 49. I don't know what that symbol is. But that is the correct final answer. However, there's a shortcut for this. Shortcut. It is, you square the first term. X times x is x squared. For the last term, you square the last term. 7 times 7 is 49. Now the middle term is the hardest part for people. You multiply them together. X times 7 is 7x. And you multiply that by 2. So 7x times 2 would be 14x. And the reason we multiply by 2 is if you look in, when we actually FOILed it out, there's the two 7x's, right? Because you did x times 7 and then 7 times x. So square the first term, multiply them together, and multiply by 2, and then square the last term. So we're going to try that now. We're going to try the shortcut for the rest of the time. 4k times 4k is 16k squared. The middle term, remember we multiply them together. 4k times negative 3 is negative 12k, and then we have to multiply by 2. So what's negative 12k times 2? Negative 24k. And then we square the last term. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. That last term will always be positive when you're dealing with these squared ones, because it's either a negative times a negative or a positive times a positive. Now the middle term depends on what symbol's in the middle. So if that is a minus, that first symbol will be a minus. If the term is plus, they're all going to be pluses. All right? So practice that both ways.